It's a great day for hockey cards, and today it's finally here. We've got 2020, 2021, the Cup hockey. This is Upper Deck's premier product, and it comes at a premier price. I paid $1,000 US for this box. But I did look just before filming this. They're already selling on some websites for over $1,300 a box. There's the back of the box there. The packaging is extravagant, I think might be the best word. There's a lot of packaging here. There are sticker autos in this box, so clutch your pearls. Begin complaining about that right now because they do exist. It's a thing. And it never was before in the Cup, but now it is. It's a whole new world. So we got our bottom cut open. If you haven't seen this opened, you're in for a little bit of a treat because the packaging is outrageous. Oh my god. Can't get open. Alright, so inside our box, we've got a tin. I'm going to save that box because it's going to go in my background with all my other Cup boxes. So we've got our tin here, which looks shockingly just like the box. And when we open the tin, we've then got another box inside the tin. These tins are really good for shipping expensive cards or lots of cards, so that's a bonus, right? That's worth $1,000. Now we've got a littler box that looks like the other two boxes, but smaller. Will now open. This is the majority of Cup breaks, is watching the person actually open the boxes because you don't get many cards in here. We've done some high-end stuff before. I have other videos of the Cup. Leaf Pearl, which is quite frankly my favorite high-end set. I've opened 2 boxes of that. There's some pretty crazy stuff in there. Let's get out the old faithful great decoy for hockey cards. It has not been lost. There was a video, I couldn't find it. Lots of crazy stuff in the Cup. I struggle with getting this foam out of here. Well, you know what? We're not going to get the foam out of here. We're just going to pull the card straight out. So our first card, very appropriate, is going to be a Lemieux. So all the base cards in Cup are numbered to 249. And this is 104 of 249. Lemieux. And that's kind of awesome because that's a PC hit for me right off the bat. Cup is, of course, very thick stock. And we've got our RPA next. And we have managed to pull a Nolan Foote. 169 of 249. And that is an on-card auto. But the RPAs in the Cup usually have a pretty nice patch on them, as does this one. And our next card, it looks like another auto. We have another Penguin. It's the Wrecking Ball, Mark Recchi. 68 of 99. So, an appropriately themed Penguin box. Very nice. I don't know how many people would actually be excited about that. It looks like we have, pull this off to the side here. It's getting harder to pull these out. We've got another auto here. We've got a chemical composition rookie mantle of Arthur Kaliev. And look at this, like 3 colors on there. Guess this is supposed to be the Earth's mantle. I don't really know what they're going for there. If anyone knows anything about this one, let me know. I've pulled some big Kaliev cards, so that's nice. And our next card, looks like we have 2 left. We've got a trios jersey here. We've got Jason Robertson, Ty Dellandrea, and Jake Ottinger. Numbered to just 35. So I like jersey cards. Now they've kind of fallen out of favor. And our final card is a not auto. Rookie class of 2021, Ilya Sorokin. So at least that's a good name. 236 to 249. Suffers from this giant white space where I assume an auto is supposed to go, but this is not the autographed version. So there you have it. A couple of decent Penguin cards for the PC, but that is 2020. 2021, the Cup Hockey. Let me know what you think of that break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.